Hi, my name is David McHale, and I received life-saving heart care at Pali Momi Medical Center.
And I'm Dr. Andy Summersgill. I'm an emergency medicine physician who first helped care for David when he arrived at Pali Momi.
And I walked into the office that Monday morning, feeling a little bit of discomfort, but within a couple hours I realized that there was something more to it. It felt like this rock that was placed between my chest cavity and my heart. When I first came in, obviously everybody went into, their emergency department mode.
It was a tough case because your symptoms had resolved, you were feeling better when I first spoke with you. But I vividly remember you putting your hand to your chest like you did just now. And I remember we talked about your brother, and he had coronary artery disease, and a couple of these things helped me to know that you were at risk of having acute coronary syndrome or a heart attack.
That's what I think saved my life, was that diagnosis. It wasn't anything that the blood work came back and showed yes. There wasn't anything that the EKG said yes, this was it. But I think you had the wherewithal and your team to basically say, wait a minute, let's take a pause here and go one step further.
I think emergency medicine is medicine at its truest form. You're faced with someone who you've never met before, and you're full of possibilities of what you could be dealing with and what you need to do to manage that. And I was glad that I got our cardiology team involved to explore this further and do that cardiac catheterization, helping lead to our diagnosis and ultimate care.
They noticed that there was blockage, two arteries, one 95%, the other about 85%. Once I received the news that we had to have open heart surgery, they contacted the sister hospital, which is Straub. Dr. Grattan and his team then took over.
So at Pali Momi, we work as a team together. We each have our own unique talents and work like puzzle pieces fitting together to care for patients.
How do you go up to somebody and say, if it wasn't for you, I would not be here today? And that's a difficult thing to do, but it has to be said and it's got to be felt. And I really do feel that way.